Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can check our Wi-Fi and mobile data usage on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. The first thing that we need to do is go to the settings. In the settings, we need to go to network and internet. At first I'm gonna show you how we can check the Wi-Fi usage. So we need to go to Wi-Fi and then scroll all the way down. Now in my case, there we go. I have now the list of all Wi-Fi's nearby. But if you scroll all the way down at the bottom, you should have non-carrier data usage. So go over here. And now you can check the usage of Wi-Fi data. If you want to check the mobile data usage, then we need to go to mobile network instead. Then choose your SIM card. And now over here we have the app data usage over here. We can go to this option and now we can see the usage of our data. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.